Elderly man drowned in Clarendon during heavy rains. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. An elderly man drowned in Longwood Racecourse, Clarendon yesterday as heavy rains associated with Hurricane Ida pelted Jamaica. 78-year-old Dennis Jackson is believed to have drowned when he was swept away by the water during the torrential rainfall that has been pelleting Jamaica for the past few days. The Exeter police said that Jackson was riding along the Longwood Main Road. The Exeter police believe that Jackson was riding along the Longwood Main Road when it is believed that he got into difficulties and was swept away by the water. A resident stumbled on the body of the elderly man in a drain in the morning. The police are continuing their investigation. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.